Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set which app can and can't use cellular data on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, you want to go to the page that has settings. Tap on the settings icon. And then in here, we're going to go down and tap on cellular. Next, we're going to go down and in the cellular data section, choose which app you want to turn off. Now by default, most of these are switch on, so you can go down the list and choose the apps that you do not want to have access to cellular data. So for example, let's say YouTube, it can when watching videos, it can use up quite a lot of data, so you want to switch it off if you want to prevent the app from using cellular data. And then you can continue to go down the list and turn off any app that you do not want to provide access to cellular data. Now at a later point, when you change your mind, you can always go back in here and turn it back on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.